On this video I'm going to show you how you can mix your own pan pastels so you can create lots and lots of different colours out of a minimal amount of supplies, and of course that's going to save you tons of money as well. Watch to the end of the video and you'll see some absolutely remarkable transformations in artwork from my Patreon members. Hope you enjoy the video. Now obviously for those new, these are pan pastels, so it's pastels in these cake tins. On the back of them then we've got the numbers and names of each one, and what you will find is that we've got a pure colour, so that one's called permanent green. We've then got permanent green tint, we've got permanent green shade, and that one is permanent green extra dark. So there's 80 colours in a set of pan pastels. That's about the special metallic ones and the mediums, but we've got 80 colours. Each of them have got 4 in this set. So we've got 80 of these, what I would call a base colour, the pure colour, and then we've got we've got the pure colour, and then of each one we've got a tint of it, we've got a shade of it, and we've got an extra dark. Okay, now what that means is the pure colour is just the pure colour. The tints are the pure colour plus white. The shade is pure colour plus a little bit of black. The extra dark is pure colour plus another bit more dark in it. Now obviously this means if you buy pure colour and you buy black, you can make those theoretically, and if you buy the pure colour and you buy white, you can make these. Okay, now obviously the beauty is when you've got a nice set, a full set of pans, you can just look at them in your boxes and you can see the colours straight off, so you haven't got to mix anything. But if you're on a budget or you're building up, you've really only got to buy the pure colours and a black and a white to get all these other colours. So in this video I'm going to show you, using these, how I can mix those colours quite easily. Okay, so this is just standard white printer paper just to show you the colours and the matching up of it. So I'm going to use this primary colour, or this main pure colour, orange. Okay, so that's adding white, adding black, adding some more black. I'm going to use with pan pastels, you can use soft tools. There's lots of different shapes and sizes. I like these finger shaped ones. That's how they look when they're unused, and when they're used, and to clean them I just wipe them on a microfiber cloth like that, and that gets enough off of it. It doesn't need to all be pure and super clean. I use pans mainly for the underdrawing or the underblocking in stages of my work, and I mix in and matching colours. So okay, so let's take a look at these colours. Let's just pull some out to start with. So this is straight out of the pot. Okay, give it a bit of a clean. I'll actually use the other side. Okay, I put quite a bit out. That's obviously how you clean pans as well, and just rub them gently with the sponge. And the last one, the darker one, just put that over here a bit. Okay, so that's our 4 colours. Now I'm going to just, as I said, wipe off the sponge. And now all I'm going to do is just use the orange. Okay, so obviously straight out, these are the mixes. That's the orange. Now obviously, you know, they're not going to be perfect matches because pan pastel obviously match them up perfectly with the same amount of other colours in there all the time, and I'm just doing an estimation. Okay, so I'll go straight in, use some orange, just got a spare bit of paper here to use as a mixing palette. Hope you can see that. And then I'll put in some white. I'm going to need quite a bit of white there. Okay, and now let's see if I'm quite close to this one or not. I'd say that's pretty close. Perhaps a little bit more orange I could have used in it, but you can see that that's actually, you know, pretty much the same colour. Let's do that again. Let's bring this over here, perhaps you'll see a little bit better. So, pure colour. That's my colour for mixing. This time, remember, we're going darker, so I add a touch of black, and it's not going to need much. Not going to need much black in there. Perhaps I put too much in already. Okay, let's just see how close we are at the moment. It's probably a bit too much. Oh, then again. So you can see, once again, I produce the same colour. So let's add a touch more black. In there. I'm going to need to make a bit more actually. So a bit more orange. First, then that touch of black. And you can see instantly how the colours are pretty much limitless what you can achieve. A bit more orange, a bit more black I think. But once again, you can see I'm getting close to the colour. The beauty obviously is to, when you've got a full set of pans, you're just grabbing out the pan and not doing as much mixing. But there we are, you can see it's pretty much the same colour again. So that's the orange. Let's take, and this works for all the colours. So let's flip this over. A little bit dirty, but that doesn't matter. Let's take a look at the green. So I'm going to have to give my sponge a good clean. This is a completely different colour. Just rubbing it roughly on this microfiber cloth. Now, some of the other PanPastel tools, the little shovel looking ones, they can be quite fragile. They're great for detail. That's why I like these finger ones. They're very hard wearing. Okay, so let's put some of the basic colours out again. Go a bit darker here. Darker again over here. I'm making a bit of a mess, but let's try and clean that up a bit. Okay, so once again we'll do the mixing. So I want my base colour. Put that down there as well, just so it all looks nice and neat. So that's my base mixing colour. And into that goes, whoops, wrong one, sorry about that. Let's do that again. Base mixing colour, and into that goes white. That's why it wasn't lightning. Okay, so into that goes white. Let's see where we are. A bit more of the green. Okay, exact as I'm going to get it anyway. A bit more of the base colour. So into this one we want to go darker, so I'll add a touch of black. Perhaps not that much. Got to remember the black is quite potent. Mix them together. Okay, let's see how we look in there. That looks accurate to me. And then I can just add a bit more black into that again to create that final one. Okay, so as simple as that. That means you can get a lot less colours. You can now buy just the pure colours, and then get those lights and darks out of those by using black and white. As I said, the beauty then is you can add to your set, so you haven't got to pay out a substantial amount straight off to get all of the colours. I think in America, US, individually the colours are around about $5 if you shop around. In the UK, you're going to be lucky to get them under around about £6, so we are paying quite a bit more over here. So, you know, this is a good way to save some money. Hope that helps you, and I'm also going to be doing a video showing the favourite colours that I've got, because I've been using them for over 2 years now, and I'll show you the ones I'm using most. So hope you've enjoyed that video, and I'll see you all again very soon.